Hi everyone. I'm heading into my studio craft room and thought I'd take you with me. It's still a work in progress, but we're getting there. Doug added my little chandelier with candles, and it's kind of messy today in here. I'm working on a couple projects, and I just wanted to take you with me. We're getting there. But we're actually, I want some more IKEA furniture for storage, and we don't have the desire to make any more furniture, put it together, because that all comes in a box. So you have to put it together. So for right now, this will do. And when we feel more rested and not having other obligations, we will definitely put that together. I just needed to take up that whole wall right there. And here's the poor little settee I never get to sit on because it's loaded with things I don't know where to put them. And then this is a basket of ephemera, getting ready to use that. And then here is all my antique and vintage photos. I'm going to be digging through those today. Pretty excited about that. So I just wanted you to see, and I'll attach this to today's video, and I will be back, probably post this on Thursday or Friday. There's the Mary poster that's still here. Okay, and I will be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. This won't be a long video. I'm just playing around. I made this off camera, and I'll show you what it is. It's a very, very old French poem book cover that the pages just literally fell out. So I knew I was going to save it. I mean, it's still ragged, but I love that. I added the fabric. I got a glue in here. Let's do that right now. Anyway, just trying to salvage this little book cover. I ordered more from Jacqueline from Souvenir de la France on Etsy. I think her Instagram name is different. But anyway, Jacqueline had more book covers, and I ordered 3 little ones. I like making this size, and actually it was her journal like this that inspired me to make my own, and every page is originals, French papers, and original photos. And so there's just a few places I want to cover up. Here is another original photo. And some music. Let's see what else is in here. Yeah, this is just, I loved Jacqueline's version, and it was, stuck out from the cover. Here's another photo of two ladies. And so it was rather easy just to get this in here, but what was funny was, I came in here and I thought I was all done, and I had sewn in the signature upside down. I don't know if anyone has ever done, any of you have ever done that, but it's like, what was I thinking? Oh, I love this picture. She's so cute. And so I had to fix it. And you know, when you're making these kind of art junk journals, that you can do that. You can fix it. There's always a way to fix it. So anyway, that's all I did. I got this together and sewed in the signature, and I just want to add, I think this flips out, and I added some lace here for reinforcement. Yeah, but this was how hers was, and I just loved that look. Anyway, I think I'm going to add some fabrics. You know, I found this fabric in a pile, well, I put it away, a fabric pouch that I keep some special pieces in it, and I think this came from Susie Quaife. I am not sure. She makes incredible journals, and so I'm saving that. I think I'm going to make this a book cover. It's going to be a long, hot summer, so I'll be stuck in here if my back feels good, and today it feels good. Let's see, I just wanted to put some fabric in here. Got some ticking. Just cut it and rip it and do that kind of, sorry, that was kind of loud. Yeah. So I hope you're having a good day, and I am just trying to beat the heat, as they say. We are hot, hot, hot. I think I got on, nope, it's got to be longer. You know, there's just sometimes you add pages and you don't like words or whatever the picture is. You just cover it up. Cover it up. Got that one. I don't think that will stick to anything. Then I found this on Etsy, and I just love it. It stretches a little bit. You could add it this way like a pocket. And I bought a yard of it, I think. So I'm pretty excited about using this. You could even use half of it. We'll use that today too. Somewhere. Let's see if this rips a little better. Yep. Sure does. So much fun. I think I'll add it there. And if you shopped with me this past weekend, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Not everything sold, so then the next time I have listings of journals and kits in my shop, I will definitely keep. There was just one journal that didn't sell, so I will have it in again. It's just that this Monday morning, I can talk. I was having trouble with my postage labels. The website was having issues, and you know, and I was shipping early, so I wasn't really panicked per se, but it's just aggravating when you allot some time to make your mailing labels. You have all your packages ready, and it doesn't work. It just kept loading and loading and loading. Come back again. Okay. Like I have a choice. It doesn't work. And I had a lot of orders, and then I had the giveaway to mail, and then another happy mail to send out, and it was just like I had done 3 labels and then took a break and went back in to do the rest. No, that wasn't happening. So at least I wasn't in the middle of a label, because then I'd be like, well, what do I do now? So yeah, it in the end, I just waited till the afternoon, and then it worked, and then I made 2 trips to the post office because I just wanted them in the mail, wanted them to get to their their new homes. But that's life. Not everything is perfect, is it? Okay. What was I going to add in here? I wanted to add this. I just love this lace trim. I'll just put some of this in here. We'll make a belly band. How's that, guys? But that could be a writing page. I'll do a belly band here. Okay, where are we at? Then, see how I did that? Just flip that over. And I'll flip it back. Let that dry, and we have a belly band. And we could put another picture in there. Because you know, I have got lots of pictures over here. What did I... Oh, here they are. And under here, it's going to have to be something small. I just love these old photos. It's hard to part with, but that's why I bought them to use. So whoever gets this, you get a lot of photos in them. Let's see if we can cut this without making a mess. Not too bad. Yeah, we got it. We gotched it. There we go. Okay. All right, and just FYI, this is not going to be for sale for a while. I want to work in it a little bit more than what I'm doing today. Got this stuff too. Whoops. Oh my. Isn't that pretty? But I think I'm going to put it over here. So this is what's on my work table. I come in a little bit each day because I can't sit very long in a chair like this. I need to get an comfortable office chair. So if any of you have office chairs, let me know which one is comfortable, because this one is not. Totally not. Always adding the laces and trims to my journals. It just gives you that texture, and oh, I hate using this. This is such pretty trim. I had to cut a flower in half. I hate that. But I think I'll leave it a little messy. Let that sit. There, you can kind of see it. All right. There. Took that little snip off. Okay. So this is kind of beige, so I want to add some color in here and do a few things that are extra, but oh, I am loving this little book, this little journal. I've been saving this book cover forever. And so we're just going to set that aside for a moment. Get this out of the way so it doesn't get hurt. And then the other project that I want to work on is are these. I've been holding on to these since before the move. So these are going to end up being journals that I use the twine as the to hold it together for the signature and the cover. And what I want to do today is just decorate the front. So I don't know. This is Wilmington, Delaware. I don't know if I want to add something that too bright. We're back to this. That's pretty. I'll put a little pocket on there. But first I'm going to trim this up a little bit evenly, more evenly. Oh, that's going to be hard to cover up that hole. Shoot. Well, I'll punch it again. Sometimes you just have to punch it. Okay, so we're going to make this a little pocket in the front. Hopefully that'll work. Move it over here. Ooh, that ceiling fan is working very well. We're going to let that dry. And I'm just not so sure these scissors are the sharpest. Okay. I know I have other. Here we go. We got some more. Oh my gosh. We got lots. Yeah, there's so much you can do. Oh, is that beautiful? I just want to hoard this stuff. I don't want to use it. I can't tell which is front and back. I think this is... Oh, I love it. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. Just hope you can see. Oops. Oh, I didn't even turn the... Oh my goodness. I bet this isn't even working. Hang on, people. This might be a... Oh, man. Well, I'll have to make it work. Or redo it. No problem. So that's what's on my desk today. I hope you're having fun, wherever you are. I got 2 of those done. We worked a little bit in this little guy. And I'm gonna go check this video out to make sure it was even bright enough, you guys. And I'll see you again next week. Take care. Thanks for watching.